A winter storm continuing to work its way across the Southland. We saw round one earlier on this morning with light accumulation here on the desert floor, but there is still more to come. The heaviest rain much farther towards the west as it's working its way through portions of Los Angeles and Orange County. Well, again, that's all headed towards the east. Our mountains are going to be blocking a good amount of that, but still, even the Coachella Valley is looking to receive more of that rainfall as it continues to work its way through the San Gorgonio Pass and spill over the mountains. Of course, those mountains are also receiving some nice snowfall amounts down to about 4,000 feet. Now, so far, some of the rainfall that has been recorded, of course, higher amounts through the San Gorgonio Pass, Lake Cabazon, just shy of 7/10 of an inch. And if you work your way to the other side of the Coachella Valley, up on the 10 as you're headed towards the east, the rest stop, we're looking at more than 1/4 of an inch of rain. But down here on the valley floor, 4/100 of an inch so far. But yes, there is more headed our way as we continue through this evening. So looking ahead over the next, say, 45 minutes or so, we're looking at more of that working its way through the pass and over the San Jacinto Mountains. More continuing to work its way through the rest of this evening around the 8-9 p.m. hour. And we're really still going to be looking at an active radar even up into the midnight hour. Beyond that, as we head throughout the overnight hours is when we're really going to be watching our skies begin to clear a lot more as all of that moisture continues to get pushed to the southeast as we head into our Tuesday morning. So for Tuesday, expect more blue sky than what we saw today as we continue to dry out and also have a gradual warm up for the final days of 2020. So how much more rainfall are we talking about? This is just a rainfall estimate. If we should receive some of the heavier pockets of rain, more of that moderate rainfall, we could easily be picking up 2/10 of an inch. If it's just the lighter rain like we saw earlier on this morning, well, then we're talking hundreds of an inch at that. So certainly going to be watching it, but the higher total is expected closer to the mountains where more of that spillover would be taking place. A winter storm warning is still in effect for our local mountains, and for Riverside County, we're talking until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, overnight is that gradual clearing as it works its way from the northwest to the southeast. So Riverside County Mountains still going to be partaking in some of that winter weather into early tomorrow morning. Some of the snowfall reports so far include 11 inches at Lake Arrowhead, and in Pine Cove, 4 to 5 inches at Lake Hemet, 1.5 inches. Now, these are snowfall amounts from earlier on today. If you know anyone up the mountain, if you yourself are living up the mountain, please send me your snowfall reports. Take a ruler, stick it in the snow. Let me know what's happening. Temperatures again gradually warming up as we get closer to the new year. So John, Peter, this Comfort Air 7-day forecast looks fantastic as we get ready to head into, well, 2021.
Definitely jacket weather. All right. Thanks, Haley.
Can't wait.